Ngayon, Mami, pag hindi po siya kumembot, kayo po yung kikembot, ha? Kailangan galingan natin kumembot. Okay? Sino po yung last players natin? Taas kamay. Last players. Ayan, last lang po, last. Huling player. Ayan. Si Ate, what's her name? Ate Alexa and? Sed? Okay, Kuya Sed. Okay, Ate Alexa and Kuya Sed, once natapos na tayo sa ating game, kailangan natin sumigaw ng happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday. Ayan, okay. Mamaya daw, check daw po kayo. Okay, and si N? Okay, very good. Ganun lang po kadali. Okay? Now, kids. Okay, harap po tayo ng bibig. Ayan. Okay, this time. Our shoot the star game will start in 3. Kailangan kikembot ha. 2, 1, and go! Kembot, kembot, kembot. Kembot po muna, kembot. Okay, very good. Okay, next player. Okay, next. Okay, kembot, kembot, kembot. Kembot, kembot. Kembot muna, kembot. Okay, next player. Okay, kembot. Shake your body first, ha? Okay, next player. Last player sila, last player. Okay, happy birthday, NCS. Okay, medyo nahiya lang si Kuya. Okay lang yan. Okay, pero syempre this time nauna pong nakapagsabi si Ate Alexa ng happy birthday, NC. NC, kayo pa lang po ano po natin ang team ni Ate Alexa. For the team po ni Ate Alexa, okay, you will receive your prizes po and you may now take your seat. Okay, sa team naman po ni Kuya Seb, babawi tayo sa next game. Okay, upo muna po tayo, kids. Ayan, okay, bilang yung iba nating kids medyo nahihiya. Okay, ganito na lang po yung ating second game. Bababuhin po muna natin, okay? For our second